guys, for today's video we are going to unbox my new Apple Watch. So this one is what I say, it's a Apple Watch SE 40 millimeters in Starlight. So I've got it here, and then we're just gonna open it. So I already own a Apple Watch, but I need to upgrade as well, because this one I had it since 2017, so it still works. And this one, it was paired in my iPhone 11, so it's still perfectly fine. But just hubby purchased me a new iPhone 13, which is this one here. I charge, and then this one is to go with my new iPhone 13. So let's unbox it together. So this one has a I believe this one has a GPS. It comes really handy, because if you are working and you use your watch, then you know you'll be, if anything emergency, you'll be able to answer the calls, or can see the messages, and you'll be able to reply as well. So my old watch box, it's actually like longer and bigger than this one. It's like that size, but this one comes in smaller box now. I think they have changed their packaging, obviously. And this is what it looks like. That's the one. And then that's the color of the band. So that's like same color of my phone in Starlight. So we'll open the watch first. There it is. That's the watch itself without the band. It's wrapped in plastic, and comes with the charger. So I'm not gonna be using the charger with this one, probably. Maybe I'll just use my old one. So that's the charger there, right there inside. And then let's open the band. There we go. I got that one, guys. It's really sturdy. So there we go. That one there, and then we're just gonna attach it to the watch. So I like the color of this one, because it matches with everything. That's the one there, and then we just slide it in on there, and on the other side as well. There you go. Then we'll try it on. I like this band. Oops. I might have got it in the wrong side. I think I got it the wrong way. Yep. I have to. So I got the band now right this time. Look at that one. So it's, the difference is it's about the same. The face, it's about the same size, or what do you say? Slightly smaller. This is the new one. I think this one is thinner. Yeah, it's slim. And then this one is thicker. See, it's slim. And here we go. There you go, guys. Oh, it's actually good size. My other one's really longer, my old band. And on the back of where you charge it, if you can see it, this one has a 4, look, like for the charging part. And this one has only 1. Look at that one. There's only 1, see? So I'm gonna pair them and then pair to my phone. So here it is, guys. I've already set up my Apple Watch, my new Apple Watch, and that's what it looks like. And I'm so excited about this one. So I actually like the band. It's same as my old one. And there you go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye now.